Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings app and after that tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate the Wi-Fi, click here once on the switcher and then select one from these available networks, for example the first one. Here just we should enter the password, and by click on this icon we can see the password to have now some mistakes. For example, now I'll just enter the password, but I'll do this auto screen. After that just tap here on the right upper corner to connect, and here we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, we can select one more network here to enter the password to connect, and then for example you'll have two saved passwords and you can switch between these two networks. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi here, just tap once again on the Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. Also have the second way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. Just first open the notification panel and then tap here once on this Wi-Fi icon, and after that we'll just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and you can see them. Now after that just select the network, enter the password and click to connect. And if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.